I've been using the Aputure MC Pro LED light for a variety of projects, from filming YouTube videos to taking professional portraits, and it's been a game changer. This compact light packs a punch with its color temperature range from 2000K to 110,000K, which is perfect for different lighting conditions. One of my favorite features is the built-in special effects like fireworks and lightning, which add a creative flair to my video. The Sidus Link app integration makes it easy to control these effects and other settings from my phone. The magnetic mounting options and the 1/4 inch 20 screw mount provide versatile positioning, which has been really handy for capturing different angles. The built-in battery lasts up to 120 minutes at full brightness, and the quick USB-C charging keeps me going through long shoots. Overall, the Aputure MC Pro is a versatile and reliable addition to any filmmaker's kit. It's compact, durable, and packed with features that make it perfect for both professional and amateur creators.